Now that Thanksgiving is past, we're all looking forward to Christmas coming up, and we have a lot of things that you can use to decorate here at Dill's. We of course have a lot of poinsettias, lots of different colors, all grown on site here, different sizes. We have these little minis that are really nice for a hostess gift. We have a lot of different bulbs. This is an amaryllis bulb, which is grown indoors with a really large bloom. On Saturday and Sunday this week will be our open house, and we will have refreshments, and everybody who spends over $10 will get a free 4.5-inch poinsettia. We also have a lot of great fresh cut Fraser fir Christmas trees that were just cut last week in western North Carolina. So we hope you stop by and see us this weekend for our open house.